Sparkle Squad, this is Monica, and today I am having a fabulous day. I hope that you are having a sparkle-tastic day yourselves. So as a handmade entrepreneur slash YouTube creator, I have met several friends that I just really love to pieces. Through the course of, I don't know, maybe about 3 years, this particular lovely lady has just mesmerized me with her soap making videos. Renee Cormalis, and I hope I said your last name correctly, Renee. She does soaps for love, and she is not selling her soaps, unfortunately for the masses, but she does donate them to special causes like the homeless, battered women and children, veterans, etc. And she is part of like a ministry. It's a Soaps for Love is a soap ministry where she shares the gospel and gives out thousands of bars of soap every year. They only accept physical soap donations or things like washcloths, something that would coordinate with the soap. No money's ever accepted, and she never asks for people to give. That's totally up to us, between them and the Lord, as she said in her email. I wanted to just share this with you because those of you who do not know me, I was raised by my grandparents, and they really helped my sister and I come through a lot. Our experience prior to living with our grandparents was that of an abusive situation. Both of our parents were addicts and substance abuse problems, and we just had a very hard situation. One of the issues for me in particular that I will never ever forget was being smelly. I don't care how old you are, how healed you have become. It's always something that sticks with you. So when Renee told me that this is part of her soap ministry, that's what she's doing, I don't really have words to describe adequately to you all who have never been in that situation how that touched my heart. That's why I wanted to come on here, do this video, show you what she makes. So if you are so inclined, please feel free to reach out to her. Although, again, she mentions that she doesn't accept any sort of cash. It's not a money situation where she's ever taking any money. But if you are interested in maybe contributing something in the way of some washcloths or something that would coordinate with how she makes soaps and gives them as packages to these different organizations and people, then that would be wonderful. Thank you again, Renee, so much for doing what you do. Your talent is amazing, and I understand, because my whole point of being Sparkle by Monica is so that I can give sparkle to others. And even in my own business, I will actually donate to causes that are close to my heart, such as suicide awareness and diabetes and cancer research, child sexual abuse, and various other causes that I'm very passionate about. These soaps, to me, are much more than soap. Sometimes the simple act of taking a bath or a shower, it's taken for granted by so many of us, but those of us who've been in the situation where that is a luxury, that is also something that you may have had difficulty in feeling safe doing in the past, but now you relish having a shower or a bath. It means so much. So firstly, here's the card, and I've already actually looked at the card, so I'm gonna go ahead and show this, Renee. I hope that's all right. There's no personal information here, so she's thanking me. I don't know why. You're welcome. You're very welcome, and thank you. She says, "Thank you for allowing me to send you this gift as a friend. I have one request. Please give one of the small bars to a stranger, to the clerk at the store, or your postal carrier, etc. Thanks. Much love, Renee." Thank you so much. Whew. Sorry, guys. I just feel so blessed to have discovered what your mission is, and to be able to help you in any way that I am able to is a blessing for me as well. Okay, I had to go wipe my tears up. I'm sorry. Whew, goodness, this is really a happy video. I hope that you all aren't depressed after you watch this video, because it's completely a happy thing. Look here at all these beautiful happy colors, guys. Look at that. Oh, it smells so wonderful. I can't even tell you. Oh my Lord, she put all kinds of soap in here. Oh, Renee. Oh, honey, I thought you were just going to send me a little bar. I'm so, oh my goodness. She is so sweet. Oh gosh, I'm sorry, I'm shaking. I may have to go off and come back on again, guys, but I'm going to try to make it through this. I don't even want to open them. They're so beautifully packaged and everything. So this says Vineyard. Look at the wrapping. She has a little label with the ingredients and everything. Saponified oils of olive. I hope I said that right. Coconut, palm, rice bran, and castor with aloe vera, kale, and clay. Skin safe fragrance and colors. So she has so many beautiful videos. Look at this. Ooh, this smells so beautiful. It smells wonderful, Renee. Look, she even has her little stamp, love. I love the colors in that. This is something, when I discovered her videos, I mean, those of you that know me know that I love ASMR videos. A lot of things that, you know, have to do with hand movements or any kind of, like the acrylic paint pouring. I love those types of videos. They're just very soothing to me. Anything where you're creating something with your hands, it's just mesmerizing to me. And her soap making videos are just so interesting to watch and just beautiful in the colors and the techniques that she does. And this is one of her creations, and look at that. There's just something so calming about her pouring the soap and the color and all of that in there, and then you get to see the beautiful outcome of her labor there. She has 3 others on top of these 2 that are Vineyard. And what is this? Oh, Healing Salve. Oh, Renee, thank you so much. This is a little, oops. Well, I'm already going to have to rub it in. Because it's coming out a little bit. But it smells amazing. I've got dry hands anyway, so that will be wonderful. It's like an olive oil smell to it. Oh, very nice. Healing Salve ingredients: olive oil, beeswax, echinacea root, comfrey leaf, plantain leaf, calendula flowers, yarrow flowers, rosemary leaf. The ingredients are naturally antibiotic, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and astringent. It has a very long shelf life. Keep it handy for bug bites, dry skin irritations, and minor wounds. And she says a little bit goes a long way, and I believe it, because some of it being on the outside of that jar. Oh, that smells so good. It just feels really soothing to me already. And my hands are always just horribly dry. I put some cuticle oil on before I came on the video, and it's already like soaked in. So this is going to be great for me. Thank you so much, Renee. And this little spatula is so cute. She's just so thoughtful. Rose Garden. Oh, Renee, I don't want to open these. They're so beautifully packaged. The ingredients for this is saponified oils of olive, coconut, palm, sunflower, sweet almond, and castor, with aloe vera and tussa silk, clays, and or activated charcoal, natural and skin-safe colorants, fragrance, and essential oils. Oh, the smell is so nice. What in the world? Let's see. How beautiful is this? Look, it's even got some little pieces of rose petal. Oh, it smells so good and so soft and creamy. It's velvety feeling too. And I'm not sure what this is. Fullyfreefilms.com, seen by millions. Oh, okay, so this is more of her ministry information. This is so cool right here. Look at this. She has Gardenia Soap. The Gardenia has saponified oils of olive, coconut, palm, rice bran, and castor with aloe vera, kaolin clay, skin-safe fragrance, and colors. She mentioned gardenia to me, and that's what I thought. I thought you were doing gardenia. I didn't expect all of this, Renee. Oh, this video where she made this soap. Oh, and I get to see it in person. This soap. Oh, man, that smells good. Oh, gardenia. I think I'll just keep this under my nose at all times. Look, there's a little heart in there. She shows how to make this in one of her videos, and she makes so many beautiful soaps. But this is just so pretty. I love your little stamp, Renee. That is just so awesome. She just does such pretty work. And this is just literally like she's giving me a hug. I mean, thank you so much. This is just... I can't even tell you all the level of happiness that I'm experiencing right now. It's just that, and the smell is amazing. She's got candy in here. Oh, girl, you know it. What is this? Mint chocolate? Oh, yes. I'll not eat it on camera. I'll do so afterwards because, you know, manners. And then she has another bar in here. I can't even believe this. Pink chiffon hearts. I didn't see you make this. What is this? Okay, so ingredients are the saponified oils of olive, coconut, palm, rice bran, and castor with aloe, kaolin clay, skin-safe fragrance, and colors. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, this has got sparkle. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at that. Oh, Renee. Thank you so much. This is so beautiful. She told me she had a bar of her Gardenia soap that she thought that she might have left over so that she could part with it and send one to me, and I was just so grateful for that. She mentioned that she didn't have any kind of sparkles or anything. And then look, she has apparently found some because there they are. Oh, goodness, that is so precious, Renee. Thank you so much. Oh, my goodness. How beautiful is that? And it's even down here in the little soap. Oh, look, and I've got it on me. Yay! You're spreading the sparkles, Renee. Spreading the sparkles. I hope that I have not depressed anybody, but this is just, I almost can't even stand myself. Let me put all the little soapies right here. These are absolutely beautiful. She has some little books, some little literature here that she's sharing with me. Oh no. Oh, is this one of her quizzes? Oh my goodness. She also has those informational quizzes and things on her channel. Okay, how quick is your mind? Read the 4 lines of colored words out loud, but instead of saying the words, say the color of each word. Can you say more than 5 in a row without a mistake? So we need to say the color of each word. Green, yellow, blue, red, red, blue, green, blue, green, oh, yellow, oh no, I made a mistake already, and I was only on line 3, no. Okay, well, clearly I just don't have skills. So this is a very tricky card here, but it's got an ultimate good message on the back here, so that is very cool, Renee. I'm almost scared to do those mental tests because it really, I don't know if I could pass them. So here's scientific facts in the Bible. She's got a lot of information here that she's sharing with me, and this must be her ministry through Living Waters. So she's got all of that here. Thank you so much. And another little book, Why Christianity? Solving Life's Most Important Question. It's got a lot of information in it here. That is this wonderful package here from Little Miss Renee. And again, that's Renee Cormalis, Soaps for Love. She has an Instagram where she posts pictures of her beautiful creations, as well as her YouTube channel where she shows how she makes her beautiful soaps. This is one of the most thoughtful packages I have ever received in my life. And I am so honored that you would give me these beautiful works of art. When she gives out these bars of soap and she's asking you to then, you know, pass along an additional gift to someone else, then that is just continuing to spread love to other people. And you don't even know what someone might be going through, or maybe they have gone through, or maybe they are trying to get through. That something as simple as this bar of soap, or just someone that cares enough to give you a bar of soap, it's like being wrapped in a warm hug. I just want to impart to everyone who's watching that if you feel like you need help or support in some way, please reach out. I always promote the suicide awareness, especially in the month of October when I lost my mother to suicide. I've had several people reach out to me and say that, you know, they never thought that they would be able to talk to complete strangers. They didn't think that there was any kind of help. You just never know where you're going to be able to get that connection and make new friends like Renee here. I've made a new friend for life. You don't have to do a lot to do a lot. Maybe you have experienced major traumas in your life and maybe you're still struggling with it. Nothing is wrong with you, and make sure that you know your worth because you have value. All right, Miss Renee, thank you so very much for this beautiful, beautiful soap and candies and healing salve. I mean, everything is just amazing. I'm going to end it with your card and your soap right here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a sparkle-tastic day, y'all. Bye.